Good evening. So what I want to spend the next 4 minutes doing is a quick lightning tour based around the idea of, did you know Google Earth could do this? So what I'm going to focus on here is what Google refer to as Earth for Web, online Google Earth. Google Earth that you can access if you've got a browser such as Chrome, Firefox, Edge or Opera. And you'll also find a very similar experience if you're using the Google Earth app on an iPhone or any other phones are available, or a tablet. So if you go to google.com/earth on a laptop or a desktop and then launch Earth, you'll be presented with the blue marble that we all know and love. Now, I can just use some of the tools here to quickly fly into a location, which will allow you to see some of Google Earth Online's 3D imagery. What you've got here is the school where I was today, where I'm working. This is my school, and using some of the keyboard shortcuts that I can quickly sort of spin the camera around so you can see what's going on around this location. If you ever want to quickly find the keyboard shortcuts in a Google product, it's always worth just trying to press question mark. So what you've got here is a little pop-up which will show you the key ones to make the use of it as easy as possible. Now, one of the things I really like about online Google Earth is the fact that it's got URL-based sharing. So if I took this URL from the top of the page, let's just get everything set up. Here you go, just there. If I took that link, I copied it and I pasted it into a document or a website or a VLE, and a student or a colleague clicks on that link, they will be taken to exactly the same place. No longer is the need to download a KML file, re-upload it, and all that sort of stuff. Click on a link will all take you to the same location. What is also brilliant is on this, and needs to be explored by all teachers in my opinion, is projects. Now, projects are a collection of locations which are stored in Google Drive. So again, super easy to share, super easy to collaborate on. And what you have is the ability to cycle through a whole set of locations. Now, these locations can be organized by using slides, which involve images, or just colors. And what it'll take you through is locations, and you'll notice on the right hand side there's an information box, and it's got an additional image in it, it's got some text, and you can go through all the different imagery that Google Earth presents you with, but you can also use street view imagery. So what we're going to do here is into the second location that I wanted the students to experience, is it's going to pop in and the students are there in a photosphere looking at the Trans-Alaskan Pipeline, and we can start to have a conversation about the sliding, the Teflon, and everything you've got there. What you also have is Google search. So if I go to the search here and I search for Chinatown, so part of the IBDP course I teach looks at diaspora. So if I look at Chinatown and the guided tours, what I've got here is what Google's already set up. So Google and their partners have produced all sorts of tours already. My job as the educator is to stick the education on, to integrate this into what I want to do. But already Google has produced for the user a set of tours which will take you around the different Chinatowns, and then you can use that in your lessons. So what I think, just to summarize, have a good look at Google Earth Online. Have a look at the fact that you can share locations using the URLs, and then look at the projects and the tours and the voyages that Google provide. If you've got any questions about that, feel free to get in contact with me via Twitter. I'm more than happy to help educators with their use of Google Earth in the classroom.